So here's how to fix Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file. You may not have the appropriate permissions to access the item. So if you're getting this kind of error message in front of you while opening a software, then here is the solution in this video. Suppose you are getting this error message while opening this software, then all you're gonna do is simply select the software and right click on your mouse to find out the show more option. So if you're using the Windows 11, then you need to tap on the show more option. Rather than that, you will directly open your menu bar like this. So once you have done here, then you need to tap on the open file location to find out the location directly like this. And once you have done here, you need to select the file and right click on your mouse again, then go with the properties. So select the properties and then simply go with the security option right over here. So tap on the security and then simply you need to change the permission to full access. All right, so as you can see, I am the user here and this is my user. So I need to tap on the edit button and then select the user right over here. So I need to select the full control for this user. All right, then once you have done it, you can simply tap on the apply button and then okay. So once you have done this like full control, then you can simply fix the issue. So that's how you can do it. So if this doesn't work for you, then again you can go with another thing, like you can go with the compatibility option, like over here, select the compatibility and then you just need to untick all of these. All right, if it is done like tick mark, you need to unselect all of these and simply hit on apply and you probably done it. So that's how you can fix the issue. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and we'll see you next time.